More than 3 years ago, when I began the project to move to live in Poland, I had no idea what was waiting for me here. I remember standing in front of our apartment one evening, full of anxiety in the first days after the move. The wet, rainy winter was about to give way to the gorgeous blooming spring. And that's how it felt in my heart. As more days passed by, I got accustomed to the city, this city. Today, I'm riding my bike around town as if it was my own. And I'm thankful for the memories, experiences, friendships and hardships that this place has given me. Our environment has a strong influence on us, but we seldom stop and think about the planet, continents, countries, city, the culture. The house that we live in, its location, even the direction our bedroom windows face. It all has an influence. It shapes our thoughts, conversations, the way we look at the world and the way we feel. And therefore, once again, I'm thankful. I sit here reminded of the seed that's been planted in me many years ago. In my wildest of dreams, I wouldn't have imagined how much change I would experience as a result of moving here. But here I am, once again. It's time to get out of the comfort zone. Time to dream bigger. Time for more growth. Time for a new cycle. See you soon from the other side of the planet.